Hi guys. So the project of the day, what are we gonna do today? I went to the dollar store and found some fun tiles. They're not tiles, but they look like ones, right? So here we go, and they're adhesive and they go on the wall. And I decided that I want to do an accent wall in my basement. You know why? Because the kids, when they play here, they nick all the walls, and I just can't stand that. So what we're gonna do, we'll take the adhesive off and place it on a wall. Okay, you with me? All right, we'll do it together. Okay. Hey guys. Okay, so I started putting them on. Here we go. I started from the bottom up. All right. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. They're easily going on. I'll show you how it's working. Actually, I have to take these off for a minute. See? Yeah, kind of clean up your wall. I'm doing this on such a spontaneously inspired, but let's see. So we'll take, the phone is falling. It's really easy to do this. I showed you already, right? This, oh, they're gonna even show you which corner to peel off easily, right? Here we go. And I'm just aligning it all up with this edge. It's easy. See it? Oh gosh, you don't see it. Show you. Show you. All right. And you know what's so sweet about it? One tile, one piece, $1.25. So can't beat that. And they come off. Gosh, I hope they're not gonna fall off. But they come off very easy. So here I wanna align it with these edges. What I like about this tile that you don't even know where it starts and where it ends. Some other ones, you know, they have the breaks in between them. Those, they're very flowy in a way. Let me see. Some walls. You know what I like about them? That we can hide the cracks and all the unevenness. Here you go. Ta-da! Does not need much work. Guys, I'll do the wall and I mean, I have enough tiles for the day. I'm gonna have to run back to the dollar store again. No biggie. No biggie. You know what's sweet about it? Look at this. And look at the wall. Nothing. Nada. Zero. Ta-ta-ta. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. All right. Oh, here, we'll have to play with this. I just want to bring the roller. Kind of. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Stay. Let's pull this out a little. It's going to work out. This is a little bit harder just because it's on this angle. So, but no biggie. No biggie. Oh, it's going to look so pretty. I'm excited. And plus, when those boys come here and play, it just, you know, if they do anything to the wall, this is a protective layer. And so decorative and, you know, so cool looking. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Voila. You see how nicely it's coming on? I love it. I absolutely love it. It's great. Can't wait to see the end result, right? But this will take you maybe an hour if you count the tile amount correctly, and don't need to go to the store like My mistake. You know why actually I didn't get the whole amount? Because they don't, at the dollar store apparently they do not take returns. So I thought, I mean, maybe less. Let's do it this time. But I'm liking it. What do you think, guys? I'm liking it. I think I'm gonna go get more of those. Right? I'll do it. I'll do it. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look pretty good.